boys will murder them. Cold shooters that 16 and they ain't even never heard of them. I slide through, I get a bird of them, and they drive through and they serving them. These niggas talking that beef shit, I put bread on and no burger bun. We walk up in this bitch like what? Rollie on my wrist light up. Know these niggas can't do it like us, so I go and I do it like Puff with 100 bottles, 100 models. No Twitter, we tell them follow. Straight shots and no Moscato. I fuck them hoes, don't give a fuck about them. Now tell me who's scared now. Shots fired, man down. Dead bodies get found. That chop clip spin round. And real niggas get murdered. Top dog get first. He came to me in the beers, but he left here in the hearse. Whoa!